Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic game tutorials how to lock and unlock layer. As example, I will create new file and we create new layer. You can click at this icon, set into transparency background, click OK. We draw rectangle in it and I will set color into blue color. You can click select and click none. So we have these two layer and you can move the selected layer into another area. If you want to lock a position and size, you can click at this icon to be automatically lock the position and size. You also can lock for the lock pixels and for alpha channel. To unlock, only click at this option, this icon to unlock the position and size, and you can move. Also you can resize by using scale tools the layer object. If you want to lock again, you can click at this option to be automatically locked. But first you need to scale in here and then can move for this layer because we lock in here. You can unlock again and you can move into another area. Click scale and then you can lock again to lock this position and size. Okay, that's it for basic game tutorials how to lock and unlock layer. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.